Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a quick and easy way to double load your paint. So you'll see on here I have a little palette. It's just a styrofoam plate and I have a flat brush. This one happens to be a 16 flat, so it's about a ½ inch, a 3/4 inch to a ½ inch flat brush. You can do this with any sort of paint, really. I mean, you could even do it with watercolor, but I am using tonight the Golden Fluid Acrylics. I have the two colors. You just pick two colors that work together well if you want to blend them. I use this a lot in all of my painting styles, not just in the traditional like one stroke. So with a flat brush, it's flat. When you look at it, it's flat. When you turn it to the side, it's flat. So this is the wide, flat part of the brush. I'm just going to wet it with some water, and I just like to pull the water off with my hand or tap it on a paper towel. You don't want water coming out of the brush. So to double load a brush, we're going to hold it so that the wide part is side by side. I am just going to simply turn it, rotate it, and dip that one side of the brush into one of my colors of paint. And this is, again, the Quinacridone Magenta. Then the same, holding the brush the same way, I'm now just going to flip it to the other side and load it into the white. I'm going to tap it into that white, and you'll see it is loaded with two colors of paint. So then to blend those colors, I like to just take that brush and I work it back and forth just a few times on my palette, and you'll see how those two colors start to pull together and blend on the brush. Then when you take it to the paper, if you were working on say a one stroke flower petal, you could then take the brush to the paper, drop it, and make your stroke. And you'll see there that it has the two colors loaded on the brush at the same time. Hope that helps. I'll see you in my next video on how to triple load your brush.